ang stand natin dito sa nirereklamo ni Brent Horn against Father Richard Rohr tungkol sa Universal Christ po. Kasi kanina nabanggit natin na may tungkol sa Valhalla, yun lang ang napansin ko, along other lines. Ito po ay tungkol sa pantheism at saka panentheism. So ano po ang stand natin dito sa sinasabing Universal Christ po?
Okay. But first and foremost is this. As Catholics, we do not, we reject the doctrine that the entire material world is God, which is pantheism. Okay, because the material world is only creatures of God. We are all created by God, and therefore we are not God itself. Okay, so that is the reason why we proclaim that our God is the Creator, so that there will be a distinction between the Creator and the creature. Okay. Ang binabanggit natin kayo na Christ manifested in the flesh, Christ contemplated by the angels, Christ proclaimed by the pagans, it signifies that the seed of faith is already manifested even from the Old Testament and even from ancient times. And so that is the reason why pag pinag-aralan natin ang ating Catholic theology, culture, even our arts and architecture, we are influenced by the good things that we have inherited from the Romans and the Greeks, like the architecture, all these things, etc. There is already there is already seed of faith and of truth. Kasi ang truth naman is Philosophia Perennis. Diba? It is already existing even before. However, natural reason alone is not enough. It must be held and guided and completed by divine revelation, which is perfected by the Lord Jesus and entrusted to the church. And so that is the reason why we reject the pantheism, but rather we believe in that one God which is Trinitarian, as revealed to us and explained to us by the church. So that by doing so, we will not be falling into paganism, but rather we will truly proclaim the truth given to us, divinely revealed by God. That is what dogma is all about. They are infallible truths revealed by God, okay, through the church and recognized by the church as such. And so therefore, through the guidance of the church, through the guidance of divine revelation and the infallibility of the church, and led by the Pope, we will never fall into pantheism and panentheism, the mistakes of the past, of the pagans. Okay, so that is the reason why now we have to really to believe that faith. Kasi doon parang sa Christian, I believe in one God, the Father Almighty, Creator of heaven and earth, and of all things visible and invisible. May division na agad. There is a distinction between the Creator and the creature. So panentheism is automatically wrong.